Hi guys, I'm Patricia.
And I'm here
And we are Be With Us.
on a very stormy day out here in Funchal. Now we are down here on the Lido Promenade. It's an orange weather warning. It's very stormy, and we'll try to get you some impressions that you can see. Also, it's sunny. Everything is flying around. It's not too cold, but it's very, very windy, as you can see later on in the waves. We have this wind now since yesterday, Sunday. We had a lot of rain yesterday, a lot of storm. And we just went out now because it cleared up for a minute to show you how wild Madeira can be. It's very windy. I don't know if you can see it, but you really have to lean into the wind not to fly away.
You have a super wind, you think you'll fly away and it stops out of the sun.
Now the one to the right is the pigeon. The one to the left in red is Patricia. Down here you can see, I don't know if you can see it, I will show you. It's open. Down here you can see there are little steps going down to those lava rocks down there. Sometimes in the evening you see people sitting out there and enjoying life. Today it's just too dangerous to go down there, or you're suicidal, or you're Bear Grylls. You see where we're walking now at this little promenade. It's 5 minutes away from our house, so that's the place we normally use for evening walks. And it's just mind-blowing beautiful here. And we are so happy to live in Madeira. We love this island with all our heart.
Yep.
Isn't she beautiful? And you have to imagine, if we have those waves over here in Funchal, over the other side on the island, and the north side in Porto Maniche, it must be mayhem at the moment. Patricia's hairstyle today, it's called Gone with the Wind. And if you guys wonder, those things are not the German bunker structure. It is just to let the sunlight down under the patio here, where they have some storage and seating areas. Who needs a gym when you live in Madeira and you have all those hills walking up and down, very little flat areas? Now here you can see big Madeira wildlife. They're feeding at the moment. It's a very rare occasion that we can see them close up. You see in other major cities on the planet, you see pigeons eating leftover burgers and garbage. And here they just eat what nature delivers, fresh from the tree. Very healthy pigeons.
Round 1. Fight! Brutality.
Down here is a restaurant, an Italian restaurant. It's a brand Papa Manuel. Good pizza, spaghetti, and that's what you want to eat when you come to Madeira. You can check it out. What you can see all over town when you have cooking oil at home, and you don't have to, or you shouldn't anyway, so you're gonna throw down the drain on the garbage. Here you can bring your cooking oil at those collection points all over town, and they will recycle it for you. It's very handy to have. And here on this square you can see the 2 basketball hoops. That's where you can see in the evening people playing basketball all the time, or they're playing football over there. It's very active people, the Madeirians, very sportive. I wish I could do that.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine. Nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa. As warm as your breath on my chest, so calm. Now, baby, let the summer breeze carry us away.
Jesus, we get sprayed by the ocean at the moment. The waves are coming all the way up here. Anybody fancies a little swim? Weather shouldn't be too cold. The water shouldn't be too cold. Of love, take the course. Let the summer breeze carry us away. Let the summer breeze carry us away. guys, we're coming to the end of our walk.
Yep.
It was very windy, rainy, sunny in between. Now it's windy again. We will just sit down, have some lunch.
But still, it's a nice walk. It's totally worth it because even if with the wind, it's really nice and pleasant. So that's it. Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It can help us a lot with doing it. Please click the like button. And if we're not flying away, we will edit the video later.
And leave your comments below and be with us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos, and be with us.